Egg in a hole is a simple way to make a fried egg and toast all in one. Let's call this the premium egg in a hole breakfast. It has a few additions to other recipes. My take on this recipe starts with Italian bread slices, a great way to use up day-old or even week-old bread. Cut out the middle of the slices and save the cutouts to be toasted as well. Doesn't need to be fancy schmancy. Cut up some bacon. Start that frying. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Nice and crispy. One egg per piece of bread. Place the bread slices in the pan and let them start toasting and soaking up that bacon flavor. The cut out pieces go in the pan as well. Crack an egg into the hole in each slice. Let that fry for a minute. And flip over. Fry for another minute. Chop up some green onion. Add the green onion onto the bread. And some shredded cheese. Here I'm using Tex-Mex. Flip over again, making sure not to burn the cheese. Add some salt and pepper. Serve. And enjoy.